guys, I'm back here in Manila. Stay in Makati again. In this high building here. Milano Residences it's called. Very nice one. So once again I'm gonna go check out the city, do some exploring. Let's see where I end up. I don't know yet. So the plan is to walk here from Makati via a place called Bonifacio Global City to Venice and all the way to Laguna Lake. It's a big lake here in the east of the city. The route might change on the way, so let's see where we end up. Up there is the famous Burgos Street. Lots of nightclubs and bars and prostitutes who wants to give you a massage and something more. But also a lot of cool bars around that area. So Manila is the capital of the Philippines. The city of Manila is just one of the districts here in the metropolitan area. So if you talk about the urban and metropolitan area, it's a huge area with around 22 million people, which makes it one of the biggest urban areas in the world, actually. So one thing I didn't know about Manila before I came here was that it's the most densely populated area in the world. 46,000 people per square kilometer. That's crazy. And when walking around in this heat, remember to stay hydrated. Names of all the people who lost their lives in the Second World War here in the Philippines. Looks like a place in Las Vegas. Disclaimer, we are not in Venice, we are in Manila. It's a big mall here. Looks like Venice. Buildings in this part of the city reminds me of like Southern Europe, like France, Italy, Monaco. Saw a video from here with these buildings, you would not guess that's Manila. What's up?
Sup? Pakita mo na tayo ng Kalin! Pakita mo na! kami na nag-design ng bahay.
Uy, amen.
Ano? When I'm in these big cities, I like to walk in the alleyways, in the neighborhoods, not out in the big streets. This is where you see how the real life is in Manila. Excuse me.
Ay, sorry.
Hey,
Hello, what's up?
subscribe your YouTube channel.
Yeah, what is this place called here?
Maya!
Maya?
Maya!
Maya.
Pabili! Subscribe!
All right,
Subscribe.
do it.
Yes, yes, yes! Hello!
All right.
Hello! Hello!
You're all gonna be famous now.
Hello!
City of Taguig. All right, out exploring. Lig du.
Okay. Ayos.
All right, had a nice walk today. I didn't reach all the way to the lake, but almost. Saw some interesting neighborhoods.